Hey, I'm Matt Malone, and we have the hottest 3 minutes. Seriously, if you try to touch this with your bare hands, which you can't because it's video and radio, but if you could, you'd probably burn yourself. The Hot Three with Honor Credit Union, come be part of it. And as we are talking about hot things, well, we've got to bring in some experts on these hot things, especially since we're talking about financial situations with houses. So let's bring in Kayla. Kayla, how are you?
I'm doing good, Matt. How about yourself?
I'm doing awesome. And then Greg, also an expert here joining us today. Greg, how are you?
Good. How are you?
Doing awesome. So we talk about hot, right? And the reason why I want to bring this up is because for the past, year or so, it's been a really hot housing market, refinance market. And now we're trickling back into a little bit different direction. So Kayla, that's kind of what we're talking about today. I'm not the expert. That's why I want to throw it to you guys. Give us a little bit more insight as to what we're going to be discussing.
Yeah. So, as you may or may not know, right now, mortgage rates are going to be creeping up and starting to do that right now. So we have a lot of specials going on for short-term mortgages. So we have a 7-year option, a 10-year option, and so on. So with that, if it fits for your situation, maybe it's right for you. We want you to get these rates while they're, lower, and maybe it makes sense for you. So we have Greg Tolliver here with us. He is our mortgage loan originator for our Berrien Springs and Benton Harbor communities. So he's able to kind of, give a little bit more details on these and why it may or may not be right for you.
Excellent. Well, and that's going to be my question right off the bat there, Greg, is, obviously we hear this statement, things are creeping back up. What does it actually mean? Well, how do we, again, benefit from doing this?
Well, the biggest thing is you're going to save a lot of money. So with those, 7, 12-year and 10-year mortgages that we're doing right now, depending on your credit score and where everything lines up, you could be as low as 1.99%. So 1.99% on a mortgage is, really, really low. And anytime you can save money, that's always, good.
I love the background that you have right now because it seems kind of angelic and like I'm here to save the day. So saving money on a mortgage, the rate that you said, it may not seem like a lot of money maybe per month per se, but when you look at the grand scheme of things, that's where you're going to see the really big number, right?
Oh, 100%. Yeah. So, your mortgage payment may stay the same or may go up a little bit depending on what kind of product that you have now and what kind of amortization you have. But going into this new product, especially if you're looking at maybe retiring in the next 7, 10, or 12 years, this might be a perfect product for you where by the time you hit retirement, you've got no mortgage.
Wow. You said amortization?
Yeah, amortization. It's a
amortization.
Big, long word that I can't even spell. So
you used a bunch of words there. I have no idea what they mean, but the great news is you're the expert, you know them, and you're going to be able to explain and walk folks like myself who maybe are a little bit newer to the game, right? You're going to be able to walk us right through, but maybe we want to get a little bit research under our belt here on our own side of things. There's a great resource online. And Greg, can you tell me what that is?
I'm sorry.
It's all right. The mortgage calculator.
Oh yeah, the mortgage calculator. So that's just that's the easy way to say is amortization. But yeah, that mortgage calculator will help you out. We'll let you know like, hey, this is what your mortgage payment is going to look like over the next 7, 10, or 12 years. And if it doesn't make sense for you as a member, as a borrower, we'll let you know that too.
Okay, excellent. Now, obviously, that's a great piece of information and a great tool online. But Kayla, there might be some other things we can find out there too. What's the website again?
Yep. If you go to honorcu.com and you just search for our mortgage page right there, you're going to find all this information on our current specials. You're going to find Greg's contact information or a lender that maybe is more near your community and meet with them, touch base. Like Greg said, if it makes sense, they're going to help you. And if it doesn't, they're going to lead you in the right direction as well.
Excellent. And yeah, member centers, great resources, online, a great resource, Honor Credit Union, giving you so many different ways where you can come be part of it. There you go. All right. I appreciate you, Greg, for joining us today. Was that like a movie scene? I tried to make it look like a movie scene.
It was good.
Okay. I appreciate it. Greg, thank you very much, brother. You have an awesome rest of your day. All right.
Thanks. You too.
You bet. Kayla, we'll talk with you soon as well. Okay.
All right. Sounds good.
There you go. The Hot Three with Honor Credit Union. Come be part of it with Southwest Michigan's 97.5 White Cut